Turn your scrap into cash with WA Metal Recycling. We are one of Western Australia's most trusted metal merchants. We provide free bin placement and removal throughout the Perth metropolitan area and offer complete scrap metal solutions to the farming, manufacturing and resource sectors throughout all of WA. You can count on WA Metal Recycling for the removal of all ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Site cleanups, car body, truck and tractor removals, oxy cutting, deconstruction and more. We are proud of our reputation as an honest and transparent service provider. We offer free, no obligation on-site evaluations, supply weight bridge dockets and guarantee prompt payment. In addition, all of our staff are highly experienced. They carry OH&S accreditation and operate under the Zero Harm Charter. Contact WA Metal Recycling today and turn your scrap into cash.